Spidian pulls you in, and her angry sister rises to the right. Not a place to be alone by night. But what beauty gathers here. What mornings compel us. First, we must descend down. To where the promise of the ridge stretches on before us. Sunrise reveals itself, glistening on those snarled white teeth of the challenge ahead. Before transforming our fear into awe. The mists arrive to carry us away to other worlds. Forward or back, but there is no way down. Well, perhaps there is one. With a clearing of clouds, the path ahead, where those crazy pinnacles lie in wait. And though they are not quite as fearsome as legend would have it, the abyss beckons below. As the morning wanders and whispers by and through us,